Hey, it's your girl Shanika with Marmory Custom Apparel, and yes, I am here with a DIY from the Dollar Tree. Yes, backdrop. It was time for me to change my backdrop because I need to spice it up, honey. I need to look more professional. I want to give a certain aesthetic, and so it was time to change it up. And what other best place to go than the Dollar Tree? And yes, the beginning of this video is going to be a little slow because I didn't learn about time lapse until after I started recording this video and I got midway in the project. So yeah, so take a walk with me in the Dollar Tree. And if you already know, you cannot go in Dollar Tree and not pick up things that you don't need. Well, I need those pencil cases because I got a lot of nieces and nephews, and why not make them some cute little customized pencil crayon cases with some little melanated little babies on there. I ain't got to do them yet, so no, I haven't done them yet. But anyway, go with me. So this is not my original idea. I saw somebody on TikTok do it, and I was like, okay, I'm going to put my little spin on it and let me do one too, because I need to spruce up the aesthetics of my picture. So there is the white foam board. Yes, white foam board, not the poster board, the foam board. So I grabbed 3 of those. I really only needed 2, but I grabbed 3 just in case. And that's the wallpaper. That's the wallpaper with the adhesive back. And then those are the little adhesive tile. So I wind up getting 8 of each, 8 of the wallpaper right there, the wallpaper sheets, and I wind up getting 8 of the tiles. I did not want to run out. It actually only took 6. This right here is most definitely the idea that I got from this girl I saw on TikTok. These are the little pallets, and so those help you to keep your backdrop standing up. And like I said, I'm in there looking for other stuff. But yeah, I wanted to show y'all where you get it from. And so there are some cute little props that you can use. I most definitely needed that box cutter because I'll be getting so many boxes and I'll be needing to cut them open. And then yes, there goes some frames. Now I wind up not using the frames, but we ain't gonna talk about that right now. But here we go. I'm back at home. I'm applying the tile, adhesive tile to the foam board. And as you can see, I wind up starting upstairs, and then it's going to be life start happening. So it's going to be a couple days later before I finish. But keep watching the video for the grand reveal. So now this part is done. That's the back part. When I say, y'all, it turned out really, really nice. That took me all about 15 minutes to lay that on there. But I was cooking at the same time. So now you're going to see it's a whole nother day. I'm actually in my office now. This is actually probably like a week later. So now I got that part done, the front and the back, the tile. So now I'm going to do the wallpaper portion. And this is when, after this video, is when I learned how to actually speed the video up. So use time lapse. If you got an iPhone and you're doing a DIY video or you're making a video, use time lapse. It's such, why ain't nobody never shared that gem on TikTok before? I done watched thousands of TikTok videos. I ain't never heard nobody say do that. But anyway, I know how to use it now. But like I said, I ain't going to wind up using it until after this portion. And then it's going to speed up the process. And this video going to be almost over. But stay. You want to watch. Watch it to the end. And I'm telling y'all, if you want to give your business photos, I don't care if you're doing eyelashes, lip gloss, tumblers, whatever kind of product you have, you want to give it a nice professional look when you shoot your videos. Always make sure the lighting is good and crop those videos so it can look professional, so it can look very, very nice, so the picture can look consistent. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. But anyway, so this, I actually bought too many of those because it's only wind up using 4 of these wallpaper sheets. Now, these are the adhesive wallpaper sheets, and it was really easy to apply. I used my squeegee, my little blue squeegee right there, so I can make sure that I get the laid it flat and it's stuck there. Now, when you're using that squeegee, you want to make sure that you're laying it right. You want to make sure that the edge of the wallpaper is lining up with the edge of the foam board, because you want it to be really nice and smooth, and you don't want to have to cut up too much off. Now, when I flip to the other side, I am going to have to wind up cutting some off, but it's not that much. Whereas if, I started the opposite way, I probably... See, now look at me. I'm just a zooming. Look how fast I'm going. See, it ain't taking no time now. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see it? Now, somewhere in there, I didn't show y'all doing the other side. So don't be fussing at me. I don't know what happened to that video footage. Somewhere in there, I did the other side and I didn't record it. I don't know what happened, but here we are. So now, as you can see, now both sides is done. So y'all only saw one side get done. But I'm trimming the edges off on the side. Now I'm putting a little crate. Now you see why the little palette things work? Yes, you kind of like slide them on like feet. When I tell you that's the neatest idea, yes. And see, you get 4 of those because you want 2 as the feet and then 2 on the other end to make a level. And so look at that setup. Y'all see how that look? Look at that. Look at your girl. Boots. See why you got to crop your videos? You see that extra stuff you don't need to see on the end? But watch this. Boom. Look at that. Yes, honey. Professional. You can't tell me I ain't take this to the studio. The lighting is perfect. Yes, you see that? Look at that. Nice. Now it was a little extra with the candle. I need the candle because I need to be melting my backdrop. But as you see, I'm bougie on a budget, y'all. I'm sorry. That's just me. But look at them photos. Those are some tumblers. And so if you really like those tumblers, you can shop marmariecustomapparel.com. And you know where the link is. Y'all be blessed and have a nice day.